Okay, so I'm gonna have to go quickly because I can only film this in TikTok and not edit. So this is my kit bag. I've got everything I need for prepping the skin. Bioderma, moisturizers, primers, eye drop, eyeshadow primer, little mini razors, some eyelash glue, face oil for face massage. Here I've got my more detailed brushes and my fluffy brushes, and then this is a pot with my mascaras in. This is my eyebrow bag. I've made this palette, but I definitely want to add some more colors to this. I've got pencils, spoolies, gel. In here I keep my beauty blenders and powder puffs. It's nice because it's netted, so there's like air in there so it doesn't smell weird. Then this is my main kit bag. I've got all my brushes up here, some little hair clips. I've lost all the rest of those. I need to get some more. Q-tips. These are the Muji ones, the mini ones for eyeliner. They're so good. Then just regular Q-tips, cotton pads. And these are all the Viewset palettes that I've made. I've got cream eyeshadow, highlight contour, every shade of the Glossier concealer, and then cream blush and lipsticks, and my lashes in here. This middle section, I've got my NARS Soft Matte Concealers. I've got the Charlotte Tilbury contour and highlight ones, and then the NARS Radiant Creamies, as well as this like random hourglass one. I actually don't love this, but it's useful. Then these are my Glossier skin tints. I have every shade. I've got the Dior Backstage like face and body foundations, a couple random ones down here, and then some powders in these little squeezy tubes, which is so useful. It saves so much space. These are some kit pack palettes I've made, which have like my favorite contour, bronze, and then also my favorite blushes. Then I've got all of the Charlotte Tilbury powders. I'm obsessed with these, they're so good. I've got the Hourglass bronzer, and then just some gel eyeliners. I've got dark brown, black, and navy blue in my main kit bag. Then here I've got the Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow quads, some Chanel ones, and then these like MAC lipstick palettes, as well as some MAC eyeshadow palette. This is my pencil bag, and I've got some lip pencils, coloured eye pencils, liquid liners, brown and black pencils, and then some more liquid liners and eyeshadow stick. Then in here, I've decanted all of my Flawless Filter and Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin foundations. I love these. I also love mixing these with the Glossier. It gives such a nice finish. And then this is like my lip and cheek bag. So I've got like little lip tints, lip glosses, which I also kind of just use on the cheeks. I switch.